The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage fad to advance. In any case, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the gigantic capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, in this manner expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to support English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin money specialized examination. Understanding the quick and dirty a profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover. Regardless of having large future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, in this manner, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater nimbleness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the venture's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency skip to a huge level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a notable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Being quite possibly of the most established player in the digital currency market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in believability among big business organizations. Its conventions' genuine applications have additionally covered different significant classifications that endeavor organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin money's enormous local area of designers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. Bitcoin money gauge is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $84.24 as least cost toward 2023 out of 1 year's end. Bitcoin money gauge is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might frustrate its financial backers cruising scarcely at $84.24 as least cost toward 2023 of every 1 year's end. Aside from the ongoing devoted series of engineers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These ventures incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Likewise, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prevalence. Notwithstanding, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant cryptographic money trade. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot, TipMapBot, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There is additionally news that the behemoth will think of its own hard forks, prompting numerous potential ways that assistants to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No big surprise, this would be beneficial to give a huge push to the cost of Bitcoin money. On the lookout. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will run the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. According to our BCH cost forecast, there will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing costs. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets numbered, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be fundamentally more than its unsurpassed high in view of our BCH cost expectation. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost figure, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH figure helps in financial planning brilliantly. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027 as indicated by Bitcoin Cash cost expectation. The token is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $505.05 and $771.45 individually. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value forecast 2028 as per the BCH cost expectations. The symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $564.20, $713 and $861.80 individually. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH expectations, the coin will exchange a scope of $641.55 to $979.